How to use Sainsbury's colleague discount online groceries. Hey guys, welcome back to another episode. In this following tutorial, I'm going to walk you through the steps on how you can use your Sainsbury colleague discount for online grocery. Now, in order to do this procedure, you'll typically need to follow these steps. If you haven't done it already, so register for your colleague discount card on a Sainsbury website. You'll need to create an account if you don't already have one. Then you'll need to log in into your account. After you're logged in, browse the Sainsbury online store and add the groceries wish to your purchase. So basically, you'll have to go ahead and add the product, what you actually want to do it, and you can just simply go ahead and add it to your cart. After the product has been added, during the checkout process, you'll be provided with the billing information. So basically, you'll have to provide in your billing address where you actually want the product to be delivered. And after that, you'll have a payment source. In the payment source, what you can do is you can just go ahead and scroll down a bit, and instead of your credit card, you can add your colleague discount card number, and you can just provide in the PIN and all sort of details that will be asked, and you'll get certain amount of discount. That's basically how you can use your Sainsbury colleague discount online groceries. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.